Okay, this is your homework help for lesson 22 in module 5. Number 1, the directions say draw a tape diagram to match each number sentence. Then complete the number sentence. And so I have written out an addition problem and a subtraction problem. So let me walk you through these, and then you can see if you can do yours in your own in your book, A, B, C, and D. Number 1. So here we have 2 candy bars or tape diagrams plus 3/4. So then our answer is together it's 2 3/4. Okay, so we're just doing a tape diagram to show how we add those two together. Then when we're doing a subtraction problem, we have, I'm going to color these in for you. We have one tape diagram. We have 2 tape diagrams. You can separate them, it doesn't matter. 3. So we have 3, and then I've drawn a 4th one, but then I've X'd out 1/5 because this said I have 4 whole pieces, 4 tape diagrams, or 4 parts to my tape diagram, and then I'm going to take away 1/5. So when I do that, then I have 1, 2, here's 1, 2, 3 whole, and then 1, 2, 3, 4/5. So my answer is 3 4/5. So make sure on number 1A, B, C, and D that you draw a tape diagram for each of those problems. Okay, on number 2, our directions say use the following 3 numbers to write 2 subtraction problems and 2 addition number sentences. So I'm going to do that with these 3 numbers, 7, 7 2/3, and then 2/3. So I'm thinking, okay, if I add 7 to 2/3, then I will get 7 2/3. So I'm going to do the 2 addition sentences first. Okay, I just wrote these. I just switched around my add-in. 7 plus 2/3 equals 7 2/3. 2/3 plus 7 equals 7 2/3. Okay, and then next I wrote my 2 subtraction. I start with my larger number, 7 2/3 minus 7 equals 2/3, and 7 2/3 minus 2/3 is equal to 7. So see if you can do A and B in your book. Okay, in section 3, you're going to do a number bond, and then you're going to draw a number line to represent each number sentence. Okay, the first one has been done for you, so look at that one carefully, and then I will do this one, and you can also look at this one, and I'll talk you through it. Okay, so my first thing I do is my number bond. I take this number, this 5, and I have 4 and then 3/3. I use thirds because thirds is my unit over here. Okay, and then I have 4, so I have nothing to take away. 3/3 take away 2/3 equals 1/3. So let me now show you that on a number line. Okay, so I did my number line. I put 5 down here, and then because I know I have 5, and then I'm going to take away. So if I go to 5, that's what's in my number sentence. I have 5, and I'm going to take away 2/3, 1/3, and then 2/3, and here is my answer, 4 1/3. Okay, so now you go ahead and do all of number 3 in your homework. Okay, on number 4, you have A through F, and here's what you need to be doing. It says just to use a number bond to complete these number sentences. So I'm going to take my 6, and I'm just going to divide it into 5 and 1, but I'm going to write my 1 as 5/5 because I look over here, and 5 is my unit number. Then I'm going to subtract 4/5, okay? So I still have my 5 right here, and then I have 5/5, take away 4/5 leaves 1/5. Okay, so you do the rest of those on your own. Okay, and here's the joke. Which king in history loved fractions? Okay, which king in history loved fractions? See you tomorrow. Bye.